Do you have an error with the Dplayer Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get localized multimedia orchestration working again. Access the official Dplayer Library diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Dplayer Library, a core execution library for several localized direct player or download player applications. It manages the audio-visual playback buffers and localized codec shims. If missing, the host media player will launch but will report codec initialization failed, or will show a black screen when attempting to play video files. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Dplayer is a restricted library bundled with the localized multimedia orchestration engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Dplayer library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Dplayer Library DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Dplayer Library and system efficiency. To support our technical team and receive updates on Dplayer Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.